Over 75 million Indians are suffering from diabetes. This ranks India among the top 3 diabetic nations along with China and the USA. Diabetes is a condition where blood glucose or sugar levels remain high as the insulin generated in the body is not enough to convert the sugar into energy. Two types of diabetes are type 1, which is a chronic and extreme condition where body stops making insulin, whereas type 2 diabetes, which is the second kind, is more of a lifestyle disease often related to high sugar intake and little physical activity. While diabetes does not make us sick directly, but plays a catalyst in improper functioning of multiple organs, including heart, blood vessels, eyes, kidneys, and nerves. In this first video of two-part series, we are answering 3 questions. What are the 10 signs that your body is telling you that you have diabetes? Why coronavirus is more dangerous for diabetics? And third, how to test sugar levels to know if you have diabetes. Hello guys and welcome to Target 100 Years. This channel will give you your weekly dose of healthy tips in lifestyle, medicine, exercise and mindfulness. Let's get started with the first question on 10 signs that tell your body that you might have diabetes. Starting with number 1 is vision change. If you feel any difficulty in reading street signs, it might be possible that your glasses are not the issue. High blood sugar levels can affect almost every part of the body. It can bring fluctuations in the fluid levels inside the eyes that further result in swelling, blurry vision, or it can also damage the blood vessels that go into the retina. These changes are usually reversible. The eyesight will be back to normal once sugar levels are in control with proper doctor consultation, but if left untreated, it can often lead to blindness. Number 2. Irritability. Feeling aggravated most of the time or having changes in the mood might be a sign of undiagnosed diabetes. Blood sugar levels can contribute to speedy changes in the mood, so low sugar or above normal sugar levels can affect how you feel. The best thing about them is these are temporary signs and can be controlled if blood sugar levels are brought back to normal. Number 3. Difficulty in healing wounds. High blood sugar not only increases the inflammation in cuts and sores, but it also leads to poor circulation. A long healing time for a minor cut or a bug bite can be a red flag signaling towards diabetes. High blood sugar decreases the amount of oxygen that is needed to be delivered to the wounds through the bloodstream. This slows down the healing process and thus lowers the efficacy of immune system. And a poor immune system can lead to more frequent colds and illnesses. Number 4. Sexual problems. Erectile dysfunction in men and vaginal dryness in women might be another possible symptom of diabetes. Sexual problems can occur when high blood sugar damages the nerves and blood vessels needed for proper sexual response. According to the National Center for Biotechnology Information, diabetic men are more likely to develop erectile dysfunction and other sexual problems. So it can be said that diabetes has more impact on men as compared to women, so it's better to take care of yourself before it hits you hard. Number 5. Darker skin on your neck. Development of dark patches on the skin, especially around the neck, can be a symptom of diabetes. That skin around your neck might feel velvety and thicker. This condition is known as acanthosis nigricans. This form of skin is usually present in the groin and armpit area. This symptom is more common with type 2 diabetes and it happens when the high levels of insulin in bloodstream causes skin cells to reproduce faster than usual. Number 6. Frequent urination. When blood sugar is high, the kidneys in our body eliminate the excess sugar through urine. High blood sugar can lead to increased urination and loss of fluids. Too much sugar puts a lot of pressure on the kidneys when kidneys aren't up to the job. Much of that glucose along with valuable hydrating fluids are flushed out from the body in the form of urine. Self-diagnosing diabetes based on this symptom itself will be a bit difficult. It would be better if you test your blood sample before making any conclusion. Number 7. Recurring infections. Diabetes weakens your immune system, which makes you more prone to infections, especially yeast infections, as the yeast continues to multiply in numbers in the presence of glucose. And sugar levels are constantly elevated in a person with diabetes. Thus, men and women can experience chronic yeast infection if they have a type 2 diabetes. Not only that, but a person can also get other infections like vaginal, skin, and bladder infections. This happens because there is too much sugar in our bloodstream and white blood cells have problem traveling through them. Due to this, the body's ability to fight infections lowers significantly. Number 8. Fruity smelling breath. We know that this is a weird one. It is a lesser known symptom of diabetes and specifically known as diabetic ketoacidosis. This happens when the body fails to use insulin for energy and it starts breaking the fat cell for energy, which makes acid called ketones. Ketones in excess amounts leave the body through urine. As the body continues to break down fat for energy, this process releases fruity smelly breath or breath that smells like nail polish. This may sound funny to you, but diabetic ketoacidosis is a severe complication. If you think you are experiencing this symptom, seek medical attention immediately. Number 9. A sudden drop in body weight. This disease sign might sound good news to you, but honestly it isn't. If you have dropped a significant amount of weight without even exercising or even perhaps a proper diet, you may have diabetes. Due to the insulin resistance, the body cells don't get enough glucose to use for energy. The sugar continues to stay in the bloodstream rather than going to the cells to be used up for energy. Due to this, the body starts burning fat and body muscles for energy, which can cause a drop in overall body weight. Number 10. Chronic fatigue. If you have diabetes, you will feel weak and tired at the same time. I said before, your cells aren't getting enough glucose for energy. Dehydration can be caused by frequent urination and also contributes to this exhaustion. Plus, it lets you have an irregular sleeping pattern because you are constantly waking up at night to go to the bathroom. As a result of this, the body is just drained of energy and fluids, and since you are not getting enough sleep, you are easily irritable. Chronic fatigue can be caused due to heavy carb diet, too much caffeine, or aging, but it is advised to not rule out any possibility of diabetes as well. Other symptoms of diabetes can be nausea, lightheadedness, itching, numb, or tingling hands and feet. Moving on to the second question. Why is coronavirus more dangerous for diabetics? The WHO has put out a blanket statement that people who have diabetes are at a higher risk due to COVID. This can mean two things. First, are the people with diabetes more prone to getting infected with COVID? And second, if infected, do diabetics have more chance of getting seriously ill compared to non-diabetics? While there is no linkage to diabetics being more prone to getting infected by COVID than others, however, data does suggest that individuals with diabetes have an increased risk of developing more severe cases of COVID-19. According to Dr. Nikhil Tandon, head of the Department of Endocrinology at AIIMS, New Delhi, the risk of a fatal outcome from COVID-19 is up to 50% higher in people with diabetes than in those who do not have it. This is a red flag for all the diabetics and pre-diabetics, and controlling sugar levels becomes critical during this time. Last question is how to check sugar levels at home. It is extremely important to perform clinical diagnosis of diabetes and simply not rely on the symptoms. Two types of sugar tests are recommended. The first one is a fingertip test using glucometer. Prick your fingertip with a lancet or a small needle and putting a drop of blood on glucometer. Perform blood test in the morning after fasting for 12 hours and then 2 hours after your first meal. You get information on current sugar levels in body within 5 to 10 seconds. Benefits of this test are that this can be done easily at home and they're quite reliable, and each test costs only about 15 to 20 rupees. The second test is glycated hemoglobin, also known as HbA1c. This is a more advanced test to determine how good average blood sugar measurement is over a period of 6 to 12 weeks, and is used in conjunction with home glucose monitoring to make treatment adjustments. This test is much more reliable, however this would cost around 350 to 450 rupees each time. The normal ranges for both the blood tests can be seen on your screen. Many diagnostic chains like Lalpath, SRL etc. provide options to collect samples from home as well. Link to purchase the glucometer and booking appointment for sample collection are mentioned in the description. Do remember that high blood sugar is the root cause of many major health issues. An early diagnosis and action can save you from poor health and trips to doctors in future. Please share any other early signs of diabetes that you might have felt in the comment section. Do check out our next video on how to control sugar levels in your body. If you liked our video, please press the like button and share it with your friends and family. Subscribe to our channel Target 100 Years and stay with us in this journey. Click on the bell icon to never miss an update. Let us know your thoughts in the comment section down below. Also tell us what other topics you want to see the next. Stay tuned for our next video. Till then, goodbye.